Okay, welcome to this new type of series that I have never been into before. I will start off with to say that this is not a paid collaboration between me and the amazing brand MINIGT that we will talk more about very soon. I come up with this idea since MINIGT has told me they like what I do. So they decided to actually send me some cars that have been a bunch of cars and now they are standing on the shelf. I came up with the idea to review the cars that I never done before, and I not a collector, so I doesn't know really what I should be looking for, but I think it could be fun to just show the cars in a good way. Then after the reviewing part, build a miniature around the most interesting cars that we talk about. So what we are dealing with in this video is 4 cars. It will always be 4 cars. What caught my eye was this Volkswagen ID.Buzz. We have a Lamborghini, we have a LB Works and a Jaguar. So it will be very fun to open these and talk more about the models. So I think we will just start this and see what happens. Okay, so we start with the Jaguar one. When you look at the image on the box, I'm always a little concerned about how the car actually would look like. The experience between the packaging picture and the feeling of the real car is on a different level. So what I can see on the picture, the rims and the wheels looks very good, but the bodywork, I don't know. It's not that wow factor on the image here on the package. Directly I can see the paint job is very good. It's very aligned. It's like, it says it's a test car, so I think the paint job is some sort of prototype color to hide some details, etc. for the real car. What directly take my attention is the bodywork. All these cars are pretty sharp in real life. This is one thing I always editing on my images. So I think that could be improvement. The tires and rims looks very good. The front looks very good. And the back, the engine is also visible, so it looks very good. The only thing here is the bodywork. I think it could be more sharp. Let's move on with the Lamborghini. MINIGT are very good to produce these cars. They are always good. Yeah, I think it looks very good as well, this one. I always look at the edges around the doors and the split sections. You can see that the vent here is super sharp compared to the vents on this one. A little roundness on these covers. This one is very sharp. The rims looks very good. Front looks very good. The back looks also good. But the only thing here is the exhaust that could be improved for sure. And another thing, I'm not a big fan of this color. But overall, very cool car. We move on with the LB Works. This is one of the most that took my attention since it actually looks pretty good on the image here. So let's see how it is in the box. And yeah, it's cool. It's so tiny. But if you look at the rims here, the rims are very cool, and even the detail on the tire. I can't see what tire name it's on. There is something, and that makes the detail level way up. And it looks very realistic. Just those lines between the doors are pretty bold, which annoys me. But I guess that's the way it is in this kind of scale. But overall, that is the best one. And now, this one took my attention directly. Since I like the car, the Volkswagen ID.Buzz. I mean, it's a cool electric vehicle. I think what makes this interesting is the paint job. The wheels looks very good. The front looks very good. The logo is very sharp, and I love to see the backlight. It's separated. It's red and white, which make the detail level up a bit. And even the detail on the roof is well produced. It's sharp and tiny and creates the detail level again some steps up. What I think makes this the most interesting one is because of the paint job. I can visualize a diorama around this, and it will pop in the picture. The other ones is good looking, but not tells a different story in any kind. Maybe this one. So I picked this one for this video. What I can see in front of me for this miniature build is that we are surrounding it with maybe concrete, but it will also include a lot of greeneries like grass, maybe some trees. So I'm really pumped to jump into this and start building the diorama around this car. So I think just let's do this. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you're enjoying videos like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That is the easiest way to help me out creating more builds like this. We are now close to the end, so thanks a lot for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's the easiest way to support my work and helps me keep creating more builds like this. See you in the next one.